In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record customer deposits in QuickBooks Online. If you're working with QuickBooks Online, efficient record keeping is crucial to maintaining an accurate financial overview of your business. So today, we're diving into a simple yet essential task: recording customer deposits. Let's start by navigating to QuickBooks Online. Once you're logged in, your first point of action is to locate the New button, perched neatly at the top left corner of your dashboard. Clicking this will lead you into a menu of options for various transactions. In this list, you will want to select Bank Deposit. This feature allows you to record funds that have been deposited directly into your bank account. With that option selected, QuickBooks will prompt you to specify the bank account where these funds are destined. Be sure to choose the correct bank account from the drop-down list to ensure that the deposits are accurately recorded. Now, it's time to add details about the customer who made the deposit. Enter their information into the designated fields. This could be someone who has recently purchased a product or service from you, and this step ties their payment directly to your financial records. Once the customer details are filled in, you'll need to define the account category of the transaction. This categorization helps in tracking the source of your income accurately, whether it's sales revenue, accounts receivable, or another appropriate account. If there's any necessary context to add, like what the transaction was for, you can include a description at this point. This isn't obligatory, but it can be helpful for future reference. After all this, don't forget to input the payment method. You'll see options like cash, check, or credit card. This is important as it affects your records and reports, giving you clearer insights into how you're receiving funds. Finally, enter the amount that has been deposited. Double-check all the details to ensure they're accurate because this directly affects your financial summaries. Once you have reviewed all the information and ensured it's perfectly accurate, you can click Save and Close. This action confirms and records the deposit into your QuickBooks system. And just like that, you're done. By following these straightforward steps, you're taking crucial steps to maintain an organized and reliable financial system. Recording deposits accurately not only ensures the integrity of your financial records, but also aids in the overall strategic planning for your business. Thank you for joining me in this quick guide. I hope you found it helpful, and remember to keep an eye out for more tips and tutorials on maximizing your